good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are headed out to Ocala for a Get Low car meet. We got the Z here with my cameraman, and we got our buddy Josh bringing out his BMW twin turbo. He is leaking oil though, which is why we stopped here out in Claremont. But he filled up, and we're gonna head out to Ocala, get into some shenanigans. Let's get to it. We made it.
Having my morning coffee.
We made it. So we came to this random car meet, meeting up with the homies, and then we're gonna go do a little sliding. So we're at the first spot. We're gonna unload and go for a little send. We do have paperwork for this. These are permitted, so yeah. Back home. It's been a long day, a long night, so much fun. We just hit 800 subscribers, working our way to 1,000. So if you're not subscribed yet, hit that button. There's gonna be more of this.